Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and today I am taking out the Mooncool CG2 Road Cruiser. So I don't know anything about this bike. I just know that it is kind of a cool color. So I have it in pedal assist right now. I'm going about 9-10 miles an hour. Also, look at this beautiful weather. I don't know about you guys, but I love when it is cloudy and dark, and it is nice and cool right now. It is perfect riding weather for me. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so like I said, don't know anything about this e-bike. I was just telling Dad off camera that I should not know any of the specs when I am getting on an e-bike for my first impression ride. Just kind of riding around. Let's see. I'm gonna stop over here. I haven't. This thing likes to go. All right, so this definitely has not a regular kickstand. It's one of those that you have to boink. Ta-da! All right, guys, look at this. Look at that color. That is so just like in your face. I kind of like it. I kind of do. So this is like it's a cargo bike, right? Yeah, it's got to be, because you have this big long rear rack back here that I can stick I could almost take maybe 2 small people in the back. I don't think I want to do that though. Nope. But I could probably put like a giant basket or saddlebags or something back here. Like there's a lot of room to work with back here. I like it. Like it. Oh, this is broken. It's how I feel at the end of the week too. A little broken. Cool looking bike. I like, let's see, got integrated design. It's a powerful motor. Again, don't know any of the specs, but it definitely has a powerful motor. Why it says that on the battery, I am not entirely sure, but we'll just go with it. It's fine. Got a little drink holder, and it even says Mooncool on it. That's cute. I like the little detail. And let's see, what else? Oh yeah, in case you were wondering, this is an aluminum frame. I love how transparent that is. Like it. Let's see. Cool little headlight. I like that. Needs to be adjusted maybe a little bit. There we go. Look at that. Ingenuity. So I like it. I do. Let's take it for a ride still. Still riding it. I haven't gotten it up past pedal assist 1 yet. Oh, also, it looks like right here I have blinkers. So maybe I'm going to test that real quick while I am stationary. Well, I'm stationary now. Let's see. Does it work? Oh, it does. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can. Cool. So I have blinkers. Now, like a good mechanic, let's try the right side too. Yeah, buddy. Looks like it works. Yep. Very nice, very nice. I like that. That's a fun little detail. All right. Come on. Boop. And then, of course, on the right side, got my cute little bell. I don't know, I really adore when an e-bike has a bell instead of a horn. I mean, it has both. It's got a horn, and it's got its little bell. I just like the little bell a lot more, because if you're sneaking up behind somebody, you don't want to sound aggressive. You just want to like, hey, what? Hello? Excuse me. There we go. Work the bell. Yeah, you want a little, jingle jangle, something not so aggressive, but it gets your attention and lets you know like, hey, I'm here, I'm behind you, instead of something like that just seems a little aggressive and that'll scare somebody. Oh, right. Ah. So in like 2 seconds, this e-bike likes to get up to 10 miles an hour. Like, holy cow. So it's only in pedal assist 1. Let me get up to pedal assist 2. Woo! Oh dear. Hold on. Something just fell off the e-bike. What was that? Oh dear. Oh no. Yeah, so the whole cover for the tail light just completely came off. Ooh. Yeah, that sucks. Well, good thing I am wearing a hoodie in this 90-degree weather, so I have a pocket to stick it in. It's like, maybe I planned it that way. I knew something was gonna happen and I would need my pockets. Huh, weird. Just kidding, I had no clue. But I'm glad I've got pockets so I can take it back with me and finish this video. Whee! So pedal assist 2, getting it up to about 13-ish miles. Pedal assist 3, here we go. 16 miles? No, 15.9 miles to be perfectly precise. Pedal assist 4. Do. 18 miles per hour, not bad, not bad. So pedal assist 5, that kind of tells me I don't have to leave the neighborhood to get up to pedal assist 5. It's only going to get up to about 20 miles an hour. Stop and go. You know, through the neighborhood, it's 25 miles per hour. And we like to abide by the rules around here. We don't want to upset anyone. Pedal assist 5, it's only getting up to 20 miles per hour. Probably don't want to go any faster than that anyway if you've got a cargo bike and you're riding around carrying passengers or a bunch of stuff. Sneak up on Emma over here. She's riding the Emma Roll Road, or the Emma 3.0. She doesn't know that I'm behind her. She has no idea. I think she's doing her impression ride of the Emma Roll Road right now. Oh, dang it. She still doesn't know that I'm behind her. Oh, darn it. The look on her. Hold on. Wait, so what did you say?
I said I turned around to look for a car because I was about to get off the bike, and there you were.
Yes, there I was. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. How you doing?
I'm doing. I don't even know if it got you good or not. I don't know how to use this thing yet.
Oh, that's fine. It takes practice. But yeah, I see you're riding the Emma.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a fun little bike. I like your lunchbox.
Give me all these cars.
Listen, it's part of the job. You just got to roll with it.
I love cars.
Roll with it. Roll with it. All right, I'll let you get to it. I am off. All right, guys. Well, that was my first impression of the Mooncool CG2 Road Cruiser, and that was a brief moment with Emma as she's doing her first impression ride of the Emma 3.0 Roll Road. So give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe because we got all sorts of stuff going on. We're constantly going on adventures. Every day is an adventure. So stick around for the craziness. And in the comment section below, tell me what you're doing this weekend. What kind of adventures you're going on. And I will see you in another video real soon. Bye guys.